Hey everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep. And it is Release Friday, another big release day. All right, this week, what we've shipped, what we've launched to all of our customers, work order closeout notes. So what is this? It's one section in the work orders field to enable all of our customers, you, to type out what's been done, close that work order out with one single summary. So really exciting new feature that enables all of our customers to just like complete all of your work easier, simpler, and faster. On top of that, we also released a new feature for auto-generating your summaries, your closeout notes. So we're actually using AI in the background to take all of the information and help you create closeout notes and summaries that makes it 10 times easier. Really, really excited about these two features that have gone out this week. Go to UpKeep, check it out. Would love to hear your feedback. With all that being said, I'm going to pass it to Spencer to show you exactly how it works in UpKeep. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.
Hey everyone, my name is Spencer. I'm a senior product manager here at UpKeep, and I am super excited to share with you guys two brand new features on the new work order experience this week. The first is called Work Order Closeout Notes. Now, the purpose of Work Order Closeout Notes is to capture free-form text that describes, what actually happened on that work order. What was the root cause? What were the troubleshooting steps? And, what was sort of the outcome of the work order? And ultimately, that information starts to become sort of a knowledge base for, for a particular asset. You could comb through all those closeout notes and understand, hey, what have people done in the past to figure out how to solve this problem? They can also become sort of a nice summary that you could, share outside of your organization or to key stakeholders, explaining exactly what happened on a work order. So here on the work order beta experience, you can open up any work order and you will now see on that work order a section here called Closeout Notes. You can click this pencil icon and immediately enter closeout notes. Here, these are some closeout notes. You can save those notes and edit them later. But you also might have noticed here that I also have this auto-generate summary. So in addition to closeout notes, we're introducing the ability to automatically generate those closeout notes based on the information that already exists within that work order. So if I click on this auto-generate summary, you're gonna wait a moment, and some text is actually going to be generated for me explaining, what happened on this work order. This is looking at things like the tasks performed, the labor recorded, the parts that were used, the activity back and forth within that work order, and you'll ultimately sort of get this automatically generated summary here. So in this case, this is going to have key insights like the fact that this work order was originally estimated to take 0.3 hours, but actually ended up taking 2 days and 6 hours. It's going to tell you things about the parts and so on and so forth. Once you do add those closeout notes to a work order, you'll be able to see them here on the list. You can of course control which columns are visible, and you can move closeout notes around to make them more or less visible depending on how you organize your information. On the mobile side of UpKeep, you will see those same closeout notes. So here on that same work order, which we just generated closeout notes for, you can see that the closeout note that I just automatically generated is here. If I were on mobile, I could of course, again, manually type some closeout notes or generate that summary again, directly on mobile. If you generate a summary and are not super thrilled with how it was generated the first time, you can always click that button again and it will generate a new and maybe slightly different summary for you right there on closeout notes. Closeout notes are available on web and mobile. On the website, they are only available on our work order beta experience, so the new version of work orders. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think about this. Please check it out. It's available to all plans. Let us know what you think and let us know how you might find yourself using these new closeout note fields. All right, the second thing that I want to show you guys also is here on the work order beta experience, and that is a rebuilding of our download to PDF function. So let's say, for example, I wanted to download a report that kind of gave a quick glimpse of all of my on-hold work orders. I can easily select that on-hold status. It's going to go ahead and also select the custom on-hold statuses. And then here in the top right, I can export those results to PDF. It's going to, download a PDF, which will then have here, a table showing all of those work orders, as well as some stats here at the bottom, how many work orders assigned to which technician, how many are open. In this case, all 19 are on hold because I filtered to only see on hold work orders. And the purpose here is just to give you a way to sort of quickly download information that you could then, again, share outside of UpKeep with key stakeholders within your organization. Maybe this report of on hold work orders is something you need to send to, everyone within your organization so they understand which work is pending and maybe which assets still have open work against them. Again, super excited to hear how you guys are going to use this. This is available again on the work order beta experience. And please keep the feedback coming. You all have been awesome at sending us feedback, and I'm excited to hear what you think of our most recent releases. Thanks so much.